OKFM 101.7.
I have on the phone line now the host of Entertainment Review on Peace 104.3 FM and also the Nate FM Morning Show, Kwasi Aboagye. Kwasi,
I like the way you are introducing me. Look, Kwasi Aboagye of Despitemedia. I like it.
Baby,
more credentials.
Best entertainment. Me na me di juma ho chia me. Inti send na me pese me introduce one no. Sa na me introduce o.
That's why I said I like the way you are introducing.
Ah, okay. Right, see me that say what place o dey obon ko kakra.
But I say at least one man say Queen.
I say. Wiyaala ni Arnold ni the Arnold akakokan Wiyaala KB say I believe you followed the conversation for a while. What are you saying?
Interestingly, I will say na KB mean fee office, but unfortunately me fee office now monitor me take kakra.
Okay.
Now M70 be am person me kan so create me born about so say which me a church movie about me the kakra be kan.
Okay.
They be especially so create and they about say Wiyaala be a watch video no be a all can say 1 year idiot no. I think I'm sorry to say that Wiyaala are idiots. And this is the reason why I say Wiyaala are idiots. Obia follow Wiyaala bia no opa omonko ebia ne past videos. We didn't say Wiyaala na why video naturally otan ye wom.
Otan as oyin frama.
Me say otan ye.
Otan
video no Obia o say if you have been following
Bragwezi. Yeah. Etano any actions into way na we hear them who say we eta. Because say odia someone say na otutu ni sa na otutu ana wo so ni sisi but say who say flatulence is not a verb.
Halifax. Said you I have also my reputation as say name more misrimu. This is something I've watched. Messia Wiyaala, studio before I be rapid FM studio, maybe and say, oh, madam, let us empower, but that video now, what time and yeah. Sebi, you, unye video now on time. Who's a video, no, I upload. This is a video sheet and uploaded. I will say a town, water.
Etano, make it sound.
What you,
Hey!
I'm not exact. Look, I'm surprised you've not seen that video before. This is a video she put out there herself. Our Nwakra Kayan or straight, so one factor to attack. That is not idiotic. What else is that? But you see, they are not calling some people idiots. Your own fellow musicians, people foolish and all that. Because you say why you say okay, me, I don't want to me conquer fully. If we get video now tell woman, is that not fooling? Said you tell Piata by your near maybe your hard said or Janaya or Katasu. So we have video now what time? Is that not fooling? Is that not idiotic? Why do you not turn around and call people fools and idiots?
Well, ABR.
Because bandits discuss and this issue about you no be and discuss fire courts. If you think that I don't want anybody, you. It is part of every human on here. Only the manager no or your brony. I want to please say a human not here pa. You should go and if your monk not them non-conscious look. That thing about don't discuss me. When Wiyaala the entertainment shows, platforms, someone discuss one, you have something to discuss. In fact, we will discuss your so-called foolish and idiotic things. People will listen to. It is you who is going to suffer. Because it's not like as if I'm out for and can Wiyaala. And I like Wiyaala. She's one of the few musicians I still being up to now have Miss CD. Current CD by the musical studio, and I've been playing their song because I think she's one of. But this particular and same way, okay, can and we tell some Yes, I'm so kitty. One last year, and open a catcher and say, "Oh my cassia." If you want to respond to people, make sure that as someone you see or can you know what to wait ye. Open a report. When you respond to reported speech, these are the mistakes that you make. I think that because even the name that she was even calling, obviously, or may say have names, so who you can. When on one person, open a country and no so I and maybe a phone, very easy and very cheap. We know the phone is so I think that should come again. Probably. When now you have a panel chair, nobody should be. I don't maybe I was not demanding apology. We'll talk about her. The Kasano on fire court. When we say something and it's lifeless, that is the only time we're waiting the court. Otherwise, court and nobody should talk about Wiyaala. Until then, when we feel the person cannot answer my court, not court, man, court. I think she cannot answer. Apart from that, I think that she's also very good and very foolish. Tell baby you now better home.
Ragwasi, Ude my fan come on see her.
OKFM 101.7.